Yeah, sneak through the window.
Oh, friends, welcome back to a new video. Look at that, friends. Lot of car. Oh, red color. Wow. Okay, let's see one by one. Wow, friends, McQueen. Look at that. Wow.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Wow. Awesome. Okay, next one. Wow. Airplane. Oh, look at that, friends. Awesome white color. Wow, friends. Helicopter. Oh. Nice color. And then next one is school bus. Oh, awesome. And then next one is city bus. Here's blue color. Okay. Wow, friends. Recycle card. Red color. Wow. Look at that, friends. Awesome. Okay. Then next one is police school bus. Whoa. Look at that, friends. Awesome. Wow, friends. Nice. Monster car. Oh, look at that, friends. Just look. Awesome color. Just awesome. Wow, this is makes a truck. Wow, yellow color makes a truck. Awesome color. All is awesome. Wow, friends, please bike. Oh no, look at that, friends. Looking so good. Wow. Just look. And last one is wow. Loader truck car.
Driving across the country seems a great big barrier. The answer's easy, use a car carrier. If the car's your baby and there's nothing scarier than
Wow, friends. Too much big. Just look, friends. And all is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. please subscribe.